Welcome to our executive interview series at the UiPath Together Summit. I'm Wyatt Cash with Scoop News Group, and we're here with Sreenath Gurrapu, RPA Practice Lead at Anika. Sreenath, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
I'd like to start by asking how you're seeing automation evolving, particularly from more traditional back office functions to a more mission-centric level of activity.
Sure. RPA is significantly impacting how the transformation is happening between the back office versus the front office, like the mission-centric activities nowadays. If I can throw some context here, at Anika Systems, the approach we are taking with the mission-centric activities at the agencies are by focusing on 4 pillars. One is the hybrid workforce collaboration. 2 is customer-facing automation. Number 3 is how we can integrate with the advanced technologies, and the 4th is the agile and scalable RPA solutions. So, if I can talk about one of this aspect, about the hybrid workforce collaboration. So, the approach is taken by how the humans and the software robots can collaborate each other, thereby strengthening the bonding between the humans and digital workforce. So, it will actually minimize create more efficient automations, not just being always in the back office, but always there is a hand in hand going between automations. And the second one, if I can add, how the customer facing automations, like using RPA, we can build customer satisfaction by deploying RPA for customer inquiries and also processing transactions and building up those sort of customer-facing automations. Yeah.
Terrific. And then where have you seen some specific examples of automation helping agencies leapfrog, if you will, or avoid the need for full rip and replace technology modernization projects?
Yeah. The question itself says that, instead of doing an overall full modernization to the system, I think how we can better efficiently leverage RPA solutions, right? So, for example, in one of our NSF project, we have done a data migration and transformation project where instead of doing the entire changing the entire system, we actually used RPA to transform the data by extracting data, loading it into the new system. So, by just avoiding the new system coming into the place. So this will actually reduce the cost and also at the same time minimize the disruption to the entire system. So these are, and one more thing I can talk about is I think we can load transformation, and there was one other project where we actually implemented compliance and reporting. So in that project, we implemented this for IRS, where we have deployed a contractor responsibility determination bot, where we check for the company whether contractor whether they are able to do the business or not. So this sort of this was done through UI automation. So thereby we reduced, instead of replacing the entire contracting system, we did automated the systems that had to do this contractor responsibility checks. Yeah.
That's a great example, and one that has wide application in government too.
Yep.
Well, Sreenath Gurrapu, thank you so much for joining us here at the UiPath Together Summit.
Thanks for the opportunity.